welcome to Little Learners. Today I want to talk about Montessori toys, and in particular I want to show you some toys from a company called Lovevery. Now this video isn't sponsored, but they did gift these toys to me, so I just want to make that clear before we start the video. Now, I recently published a video about Montessori education, the Montessori method, what it is, how to implement it into education and home life. So if you haven't seen that yet, do take a look. I will link it in the description box down below. Today we're just focusing on Montessori toys. Now, I mentioned in my other video that Montessori toys have specific things about them. So I think one of the main things most people think of when they think of Montessori toys is that they are made of wood and they don't have any plastic. Usually that is probably true, but it goes a lot deeper than that. So Montessori toys are all about giving children the ability to investigate, experiment, and for activities to be kind of as open-ended as possible. The toys usually focus on fine motor skills and also making sure that there isn't too much going on for children so they don't get distracted or overstimulated. So for example, you won't find a Montessori toy that has batteries, makes lots of noises and has lots of lights. So this brings me to Lovevery, and if you've been following me for a while, you've probably seen me post about them on social media before because I love this company so much. The toys they make are beautiful, but the idea behind the company is even better. So this company does have some standalone products that you can buy, which I will show you in a moment, but they also have a subscription service. That's kind of primarily what they are. So when you subscribe to Lovevery, you tell them your child's birth date. They use this information to send you toys that are developmentally appropriate for your child's age. Every 3 months you get a fantastic box full of toys that you know are going to be appropriate for your child, are going to help them with their development, and that aren't just going to be left in the bottom of a box and forgotten about. There's no commitment, you can skip or cancel your subscription at any time, and they do have payment plans available. My favourite kind of subscription is one where you're not completely locked in because it gives you more peace of mind. You never know what's going to happen, and also it shows you that the company really believes in what they're making, what they're giving you, and they really believe that you will like their product, and I think that kind of faith in their own product speaks volumes. So Lovevery very kindly gifted us the Free Spirit Play Kit, which is for children who are 34, 35 and 36 months. This is kind of the age band that my son is about to move into, and I think you'll be able to see from this video that he was really excited when he opened this box. It came as no surprise to us that my son's favourite thing from this box was this kind of little camper van, minivan, whatever you want to call it, and it's really, really great for those imaginative thinkers. It comes with these little people and also some keys. So my son Cooper has been playing with this non-stop. He creates all of these different stories for the little people and where their van is going, and he loves the keys. The keys are really good because first of all that works on their fine motor development. He actually finds the keys a little bit tricky at the moment, which is good because he's interested in it and he wants to keep trying, which helps him with his fine motor skills. If he got this toy and he could just do it straight away, then there wouldn't be any challenge there. And that's kind of the Montessori ideal, is that a toy isn't too easy for a child that they'll get bored, but also isn't too difficult that they won't be able to access it at all. So we just open with the key and you can put whatever you want inside there. Cooper has been putting the little people inside, and a few of his other little toys as well, whatever he can fit in there. The kit also came with this really cute tent and sleeping bags for all the people. So Cooper's people have been going camping and going on adventures, which he's really, really enjoyed. You can really see the imagination coming out there. And it just goes to show that having really simple toys can make a huge difference. Children don't need something that lights up and makes loads of noise to be able to interact with a toy and get a lot out of it. So let's take a look at what was actually in the Free Spirit Play Kit. So we had the wooden camper with locking doors, the Let's Go Camping Adventure with the little people and their sleeping bags, and not forgetting their tent. Now That I'm 3 board book. We love the Lovevery board books. Cooper has one about a boy called Max going to the park and he loves it. The wooden counting box, which was personally my favourite, which helps children to understand quantity and also match quantity to numerals. So they're starting to get more of an awareness of number and quantity. Land and Sky 2-part puzzle board. So this is quite a unique puzzle board because not only do you have the shapes to put down in the puzzle, but they also have 2 pieces to them each, and the colours don't match, which I think is great. That's such a great challenge for children of this age because it just adds another level to this activity. We also have the solid wood stacking stones. I really liked these because straight away Cooper wanted to make a tower with them, but of course they are a really difficult shape to make a tower with. You really have to understand how to balance them and make sure that there's a flat surface on the top. They're not super easy to just quickly make a tower with. And Cooper found this. He found that they kept falling down and he couldn't make this tower. But it meant that this activity encouraged him to keep trying, to keep going, and he was really, really focused on getting this right. He was learning from his mistakes, and you could just see so clearly how much development was going on just from using this one toy. We also have the Reach for the Stars matching cards, which is a great matching game, and then we have the play guide. The play guide shows you not only how to use the activities that are in the box and the toys that are in the box, but also gives you information about what your child might be doing at this stage, what skills your child might be developing at this age and stage. And it also, at the end, gives you some ideas of other things you can do with your child without the play kit. Things you might already have in your home that are really easy activities for your child to do that are appropriate for their age and stage. The play kit subscription is £120 per play kit. That's one play kit every 3 months, and as I said, you can skip or cancel at any time. This of course isn't cheap for most people, I think, but I really do believe that the quality of toys that you get here and the opportunities for development for your child are fantastic. I would never tell you that I recommend something if I didn't really believe in it myself, and I absolutely love Lovevery products. Now, I did say that there are also some standalone things that you can buy from Lovevery, and they sent us the block set. This block set is incredible. Not only is it beautifully made and will clearly stand the test of time, it also has so many different activities that you can do with it. Children can be using this block set from age 1 to age 6, I don't know, even longer. No matter what developmental stage your child is at, there's something that they can do with this block set, and that's the idea, that it kind of grows with your child. We're talking STEM early learning, building houses, towns, towers, bridges, building a car. As soon as Cooper opened this and saw that there was a wheel inside, he immediately said, it needs wheels, and we made it into a car. He took his teddy for a ride. It was great. We've got threading activities, learning new shapes and colours, stacking. You can use it for jumping over small hurdles, pretend play, making domino trails. There are so many different things that you can do with this block set. It is fantastic. The block set is on sale for £80, and as I said, this will last your child years because there are so many different things you can do at each developmental stage. So Christmas is coming up, might be something that you want to think about. If you are interested in any of the Lovevery products that I've talked about in this video, then do click the link in the description box down below. That is my affiliate link, and you'll be able to see all the products there. Now, the great thing about all of these toys that Lovevery makes is that they follow the Montesorri principle of making sure that these toys are built to last. They don't have loads and loads of crazy distractions. They encourage children to explore, to investigate, to use their imagination. Most of them are really open-ended, so unlike many toys that you might buy that have one function, these toys can have so many different functions. You don't have to be limited because they are very, very simple toys. The whole point of this is that you get the right toys at the right time and it takes away all that guesswork. When you're looking at toys and wondering which ones are appropriate for your child, will your child enjoy this one? Will your child be able to access this one? Is this too easy for your child? Is this too difficult for your child? You don't have to think about it because they've already done all the research for you. So thank you to Lovevery for gifting me these toys. Cooper is loving every single one of them, and if you have any questions about these toys or Montessori toys in general, then leave me a comment down below. Have you ever used Lovevery? Are you thinking about using them? Also let me know in the comments below, and if you made it to the end of this video, please comment love in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.